Hello guys, myself Mayank and I'm back with another video. So in this video we're going to solve another interview question which is generally asked in um, uh, for Python, right? For data engineers basically, right? So it has been asked to me in one of the interview questions, so that's what we're gonna cover in this video. So okay, I'll tell you the problem first, then we'll write the solution together, right? So maybe the first solution is right. The first problem, the first input, right? The list we have it, right? We have one list that is called input, and it is present in this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever, right? It can be in any format, and we just need to swap it. Like the first two elements, we need to swap it. 3, 4, we need to swap it. 5, 6, we need to swap it. But the only condition we have to look it for, if the consider list with even number of element, you are required to write a function which raises error if the list has odd number of elements. So if it has odd number of elements, then we need to raise an error, something like that, right? And if it has even number of elements, let's like 6 elements are there, which is even, then we just need to swap the interchange the digits. So that is the requirement we have to use, right? So let's write it. Maybe I'll maybe write it swap numbers or something like that, right? Maybe I'll pass a list called input list. Okay, and there we have this. Maybe I'll create an input list also, copy it from here only. Okay, and then maybe I'll call this function swap numbers and pass this input list. Cool. Now first thing I need to check is if it has even number of odd number of elements, I need to raise error. So I'll maybe length, this is simple, right? Not equal to 0. Then I'll raise that error, calling value error. Maybe I'll guess this list has something, right? List must have even number of elements, right? Some error. Okay, we'll test this, right? Maybe we'll make it odd number of elements and we'll run it. Okay, list must have an even number of elements, so this is good. Okay, now the other part is, right, if it has the even number of elements, then what it should swap the numbers. Maybe I'll create a new list, right, result, right, and then I'll traverse through the list. 0 may be length of input list, and I'll traverse through by skipping one number, right? So this is the starting point, end point, and the gap, right? The skip. Then maybe what I'll do, I'll try to result dot append and then input list maybe I. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just try to run this. Okay, I need to return it. Return the list. Okay, I'll just print it. So it is saying 1, 3, 5. So instead of that, I want the next element, right? So it should give me 2, 4, 6 now, and after that, so it will append in the first iteration it will append the 2, right? Now I want the 1 also, right? So I'll simply say append then input list of I, like that. So first it will take this I plus 1, that is 2, then it will take I, that is 1, then again it will take I plus 1, I plus 1, I. It should now give us the correct answer. 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 5. Cool. Now this is it. Like if we give the odd number of elements, it is sorry, if I give the odd number of elements, it should give us the error, and if I give some even number of elements, let's say something like that, 8 also, it should give us by interchanging the position of the elements, right? So yeah, this is it for this video. Let me know in comments, right, what all videos you want me to create in data engineering space, right, what all things you want to learn if you are from that college or maybe junior developer in data engineering, or you want to move into data engineering hands-on, right? So what all things you want to know, you want me to cover, I'll happy to have it in this channel. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.